And again, don't know if they can get it or not, but so I said that 73 is in a half is the middle. So that's why you've got to be careful there, you know, trying to get everybody who's still thinking just a one-way short. Just felt like they were trying to catch and squeeze. So I think that trade is designed to take out this 81 before we're done. If we're going back here, the rain line is in play today, we said, right? And there's a lot of unauctioned territory above it. So if you're playing, said right down here, because it just feels like they're snapping this back and they're attempting to get the knock out those 81 stops. So I would be conservative today. I think, as I said, I think the 72 is support, and that made this 77 the middle. So already you got a few shorts who just couldn't take their stop. And then this is a little bit of a slingshot trade just to press away. Because don't forget, it's end of month, end of the week coming. Okay, thanks, Jay. I believe that, you know, this, if we can't get it this pass, I think we will later knock out this 81. So anybody that, you know, if your game was, I'm going to buy the 72s to 74s this morning, and you missed the trade, then it's tough to chase it here if you didn't react. But that's why I said, you know, I'm just taking a stop. When it comes right back on you, it tells you already that, you know, your game plan to try to close the gap first is not going to work. That's what I said. If you can get 73, 72, 75, take it and run. And this is horizontal here. So I still think we're range trading that news bar. But I do think the goal of the boys is to knock out that 81 if they can. It just feels like the type of thing they want to do today. So anybody that's using 82 stop right now for scalp short, don't let it, you know, take you out. You get a couple of points, put in your pocket. And we're going to keep an eye on, let's keep an eye on a 3-minute chart. And the 60-minute chart, because don't forget, yesterday we came flying through that 82, 84 zone. It's never been retested. I'm not going to beat the drum here for the long side. I'm just going to say that this is part of trading. You know, and we said that this box has been overnight. It's low volume. It's been defended overnight and trying to push back into the next box. Don't be a one-way trader, is my advice. Just learn to embrace the rhythm of the market and grab something in the direction it's going. And I'm neutral biased today with the idea that we're pushing back some, want to do some pushback into yesterday's range that came flying through and no auction at all. And ultimately, I do believe this will fail down here. But you have to respect the double bottom first. And this was you know what would really drive traders nuts is if we took this high out and then came flying back. Yeah, anything's possible in this business. For now, that's resistance. And this is support back here. So in round numbers, if that's true, in round numbers, then really this is the middle right in here. So ultimately, I think we will take this out. The question is, what do shorts have to endure before we get there? And then you can see right here where this has been a support range. And then next time you come through it, and then one of these swings, you're going to come smashing through it. And hopefully come back here, right? Because the target should be 39.25. And if you don't see where that comes from, we'll bring out the spreadsheet. But this is a representation of the system on the bigger frame. So first things first, market is bouncing right now. It's rejected at 64. It's rejected to 68 overnight. We've got a multiple gap situation, and they've been doing that a lot lately. Anybody who's long side, keep an eye on time. We're coming into the 9 o'clock time frame. And my suggestion is that we're probably going to attempt to hit at least that 82.5 to 83. That's what I'm thinking right now. And the 82 area is where the rain line is. So I believe that's in play today. And yesterday's 81 resistance still broken, but I think the goal is to bust those stops today. All right, we've got timing trade coming in. We got a few trap shorts got caught at the middle. If you learn to take your stops in this business, you're never afraid of trading. It's okay. You're going that way. And this diagonal line that I put on here has worked pretty well. So early morning, we called 72 support, just ahead of the gap. I wanted this interaction, this play. And when your stop gets hit, it kind of confirms it. And then your expectation, if you reverse, I don't know how many guys reverse, but you know, if you have a stop coming this way, if you don't get the exact low, who cares? You made something in the trade and then just react and say, all right, we're going that way. And this is a double until we take it out. And I've got today this a natural resistance we said should be back at that 84 to 85. And the market may have some work to do to get there, but the boys certainly have made it clear, hey, get out of my territory. So I think two-way day. And this was a one-way day here, so you could always get the mirror in the opposite direction.